Meaning of Katherine Mansfield.
Katherine Mansfield.
Katherine Mansfield.
Katherine Mansfield.
Katherine Mansfield. Katherine Mansfield is the name of a famous New Zealand-born writer, best known for her pioneering modernist short stories. She was born in Wellington, New Zealand in 1888 and later moved to England to pursue her writing career. Mansfield's works are known for their impressionistic style, vivid imagery, and psychological depth. Her most famous works include The Garden Party, Bliss, and The Daughters of the Late Colonel. Despite her relatively short life, she died at age 34. Mansfield is considered one of the most important and influential writers of the 20th century.